and turbo GDI engines can suffer from this really nasty thing called low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI. You can think of it as a tiny but incredibly destructive misfire that can cause catastrophic damage. XTeer is built to the absolute latest API SP standard, which was specifically created to fight and prevent LSPI. It's like having a bodyguard for your pistons. Now, let's talk about extremes, starting with the bitter cold. That number you're looking at, -45 degrees Celsius, that's its pour point. So picture the coldest morning of the year. This is the temperature where a lesser oil might thicken up like molasses, starving your engine of protection. But XTeer keeps flowing. That means you get instant lubrication the second you turn that key, which is critical because that's when most engine wear happens. Okay, so let's flip the script and go to the other extreme, punishing heat. 260 degrees Celsius. That's the oil's flash point. And trust me, a higher number here is a really good thing. It means the oil resists breaking down or literally vaporizing when your engine is being pushed to its limit. Think about a track day or towing something heavy up a steep hill. This kind of thermal stability is what prevents harmful sludge and keeps that protective film strong, no matter how hot it gets. So when you put XTeer side by side with a more standard oil, the difference becomes crystal clear. Just look at the viscosity index for the G700. It's up to 166. A typical requirement is only around 140. A higher number means the oil maintains its thickness and protective film even when it's scorching hot. It doesn't get all thin and watery.